Good morning guys! Andito na naman tayo sa Azela Cove. Today is September 14 and it's Sunday and I'm here to join the Healing Heart Festival Run 2025. Bakit ganun? Pagkapunta ko dito lagi nagmu-music. Lagi na nagmu-music pag pumupunta ako dito. Yan, so 3 o'clock po yung gun start namin at 21 kilometers. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories, 21, 10, 5, and 3. And then, ang alam ko, meron pang 1 kilometer. Yan, para doon sa mga patients with heart issues. No? So, para sa mga ano to, para sa mga athletic, yan, young at heart, at doon sa mga patients talaga heart patients.
In the Healing Heart Festival Run 2025, brought to you by the Davao Southern Mindanao Philippine Heart Center Association Incorporated,
Philippine Heart Center, Philippine Heart Association, hindi Heart Center, Philippine Heart Association Southern Mindanao Chapter. Mali yung sinabi na.
Run 2025.
Philippine Heart Association, Philippine College of Cardiology, Southern Mindanao Chapter. Ganda na, nilalagay pa sila ng ano. O, diba? Nilalagay pa sila.
And a warm-up later, together with the wave and fort. What else? Run back, our technical organizer. Right? Okay, we have 20 seconds left in our countdown. 13, 11, all together. 9, 8, 7, 6.
Lagpas na tayo 16 kilometers, so we still have 5 na lang. Ang dilim, sorry. 5 na lang guys. Pagod. Ang hirap mag-shoot. Let's go. 21 na tayo guys. Dito na tayo. I'm here. Let's go. Kunti na lang.
It's because they are hydrated. So make sure po to keep yourselves hydrated. Take a sip or two. Okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala, baka mamaya maubusan kayo ng that's what we have in mind sa daming runners. Actually, lahat po are being accommodated from our hydration tables. Our hydration stations.
Okay, thank you.
Kahit hindi kasama dito sa ating Healing Heart Festival Run.
Yes, of course, maraming salamat po sa pagkakasya ng our hydration partner for this race.
Of course, most of all, our organizer, the Philippine Heart Association, the Philippine College of Cardiology, Davao Southern Mindanao, Carmen. Speaking of Carmen, 2 items to be given out. One is a Carmen watch, and the other one is a Carmen earbuds. Photographers natin. And of course,
Na tayo ng ano,
we have our official Facebook page, yung ating Healing Heart Festival Run 2025. Doon po ilalabas yung inyong mga running times and pati yung mga pictures niyo. That will be out 2-3 days.
Yes, give them time to load it. And also, lahat ng mga mananalo sa ating raffle for today, ipopost po doon. So those who are going to win the BP apparatus and the Chef Patrico's Takaw Restaurant gift certificates, you can claim it.
We'll announce that on our Facebook page.
And also, pero yung ating garment and the outcloud,
Mamaya on the spot, we are giving that out. Kailangan po na nandito kayo mamaya when we announce the winner. Malay nyo, baka ikaw yung napili and then wala kayo. That will be given out to somebody else. So, we'll be here. Okay, so, Garmin Watch, On Cloud Running Hole.
Kuya ka ng gamay lang, sirap yan.
Just to share, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I'm also running later, the 1K, I'm a post
Cabbage.
heart
Cabbage.
open heart patient. Okay, I've been a triathlete for several years, more than 20 years in the past, and I didn't know that I have a heart condition. Okay, feeling ko, ang galing ko, malusog ako, healthy ako, mabilis ako tumakbo, pero meron na pala akong diferensya sa heart. Okay, they found out that my mitral valve is already dilapidated na. So they need to replace it with a metal valve. Okay? So ayaw mo kumpiyansa porque runner ka, very check up. Very check up. Okay? Before doing a very strenuous activity. Don't stretch before any strenuous activity.
Maka-heart attack.
Dr. Kaching is back!
Yes, Doc!
Dr. Kaching! That's my cardiology.
Yeah,
My cardiologist. Siya pa yung nakadiscover na may diferensya pala ako sa puso. Siya yung dahilan. Thank you very much, Doc.
Thank you. Life saving. Thank you, Doc.
Okay, we need to consult with Dr. Martin Kaching.
We also have Dr. Bernard Shu.
Nasa data doctors pa sila.
Very good cardiologist, I should say.
Yes. Alright. Congratulations sa ating mga 21K runners na nakabalik ba.
Daming lechon, guys! Lechon!
Dr. Ching, that's 2 hours for a 21K.
Getting
Running shoe, not because type mo yung color niya, yung design, or importante po yung fit. Okay? Especially if you're a flat-footed person.
Alam niyo po yung flat-footed?
Tell the guy who's selling the shoes kung alam niya anong dapat sa mga overpronator, yung mga...
You should know your foot then.
Yeah, yung mga flat-footed na tinatawag natin, matilog ang horn.
Kasi ang food, oh. Sobrang dami.
Ken, happy birthday to you!
Sarap, grabe.
1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Ken!
Grabe ang pagkain, guys. As in.
Dito para makijoin sa Healing Heart Festival
Ken.
Lechon.
Sino ba? Meron bang taga-anong tao dito?
Kakanin, tapos fruit. Kasi ito sa kabila, merong merong
taga-Panabo,
pandesal, merong
Ano
taho.
Dahil ang
Ito,
birthday
overload, ang dami.
Today, on September 17, our birthday boy is
Sobrang
Dr.
dami.
Raul
Tapos,
Martin Kaching.
may ano pa, may
happy
ito,
birthday, Doc
kape.
Martin Kaching.
Tapos meron pa dito
Doc
ang
Bong,
dami,
happy
grabe.
birthday. Grabe talaga. Advanced celebration to ni Doc
Grabe.
Bong. Yes.
Magdagdag ka ba ng dalawang lechon? So, 2 months, it will tell your, what else?
Your sleep pattern, your resting heart rate,
Meron question sa sabi,
Yes.
okay, you
your
slept
heart
for
rate variables that
3
only the
hours
cardiologist will know.
Daming food.
Everything that you need to know, okay? And sasabihan ka kung ilang oras dapat ang recovery mo before you take on to your next level of exercise. That's Garmin, the most trusted smartwatch. We've been using this since my days of triathlon. Yung Garmin watch
after ng run, no? Hindi ka mag-guilty ba?
bigat eh, no?
But now they're having this sleep watch. Okay.
Ayan, so pwede naman kahit hindi mo na Garmin o pag-iipunan ang pag-Garmin, meron naman tayo pabibili, but important po may tayo smartwatch para we can also take
Ayaw din. Asa man na mo.
murag na board na sila kay nga no, dapat manggugaga na sila ron. 3 minutes na lang.
3 more minutes. Gamay na lang pag-anto sa pagpaminaw na mo. Larga na mo. Makapapahulay na po me.
And we'll see you back after 5 kilometers.
Yes, we will be greeting you guys when you go back. Okay? One by one. We'll be cheering for you.
Baka meron mga team dito na nandito. We will do shout-outs later on. So just approach us. If you are a team or you are a neighborhood or a club running today, just let us know.
The question is, ano yung rason ninyo bakit tumatakbo? What's
Para kanino kayo tumatakbo?
Para kanino or why are you doing the run? Anybody would like to share bakit kayo tumatakbo? Aside from papapaya. Kasi may mga reasons kasi. The reason why I'm asking Mel, not only for the reason of losing weight, getting fit. Others are doing the run because...
Bantayan ng boyfriend?
Well, that's one. Okay? Yung iba naghahanap ng kanilang lifetime partner na runner din.
Forever?
Well, others are doing it for the loved ones. Especially those whose loved ones have already gone with the Lord. Diba? They're dedicating their run. I don't know if anybody of you are here na ganun in purpose. Okay? Inspired by somebody to run. Kasi narinig niya si so-and-so is also into running. And nakita na bit of it, na-inspired siya. A lot of reasons why people are getting into running.
Dito na malapit-lapit kami sa atin. Tanong natin, kuya, bakit ka tumatakbo? Napil-apil lang ka? Nanangipis mo, mama? But anyway, thank you, kuya. What's your name?
Jason Bungawin.
Jason! Ano kayo doktor?
Caterers, hindi basta-basta, ladies and gentlemen.
We have Jazz Caffeinated Bar doing as one of our caterers. We also have Sahod and Alamentos.
Ng ating okay, for the 3-kilometer distance, 5 kilometers in 10K. Dr. Raul Martin Bongkaching.
Our birthday boy. Our birthday doc.
The guy
52-33.
second place ulit, partner. Pakitawag. Second place.
Second place is Joanna Mela Busnero.
Anong time?
52-33.
Wow. Yes.
And of course, we would like to call on a champion for this category, 10-kilometer ladies, Shinifen Suiko.
Woo! And the time?
These beautiful women, ladies and gentlemen, are the winners. The fastest female runners for 10 kilometers. This is for the Healing Heart Festival 2025. Congratulations to all our female runners.
The ladies and gentlemen who are making history, the first 3 winners in different categories sa ating Healing Heart Festival Run na nagaganap po dito sa as well as
Shoes nila, shoes.
look at the shoes. Very colorful.
Very colorful.
Sharon, makawala mo sa kalsada.
Diba?
Diba? Take note of the attire.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Uwi na kami. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-shoot dahil nag-enjoy kami sa sa raffle, sa food and everything. Uwi na kami, Uwi na kami, hindi kami nakapag-shoot. Top 2! Top 2! Top 2! First runner-up, Miss Universe. Miss Running Universe. Picture pa ito. Init mo tayo. Ito na lang ito. Nani, perting inita. Sorry.
Sorry sa diri.
Uwi na kami.
Practice pa ning duha after run. Grabe ka gani.
Yung kilikili ko guys. Oh, it's so mahapdi.
Nadagan kay sa
Midnight. Yes. Nag-appeal ka o no? Palit, nag-appeal mo o Puma? Oh. Naka-register ka? Sold out naman, di ba? Sold out na yata.
Wait lang ha, magaling.
Nakaka-register ka? Sold out na. Apil ka, Puma?
Kaya po mami eh.
Wala ko nag-apil. October man na, di ba? Busy ka na sa Ado. Pila yung kikon? 21?
Yeah, 21.
Sold out na daw. Tanawan na ako niya kung ano. Kung gani, kung open pa, hindi.
Hindi walang kabanda.
Dito ko sa pick-up. Puno na dito?
Yeah, puno na. Dili ka.
Okay. Dito na lang po na ako niibutang yung mga ano. Kani. Sabon. Grabe init guys. Magkano na? 7:40 in the morning and nandito pa rin kami. Siyempre, malay mo manalo tayo ng Garmin watch. No, hello. Grabe ang food, sobrang dami as in. La 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 la. Uwi na kami. Till our next run. See you all guys. I love you all. Mama, chup chup.
Next run after 2 weeks. Boys,
ang dami ng run, hindi ko pa napopost. Grabe. I love you all guys.
you.